YouTubers, and welcome to my channel. If you are a realtor out there and you're interested in getting the most up-to-date digital marketing advice to amplify your real estate business online, specifically in terms of brand awareness, lead generation, and conversion and follow-up, you have come to the right place. My name is Eric Preston, and I am in business with my business partner, Yashu Sharma. We are both realtors with Keller Williams. We're actually living and breathing this stuff ourselves. And we wanted to create a platform to educate all of those out there who are kind of struggling with their online marketing and want a little professional advice. We also own a digital marketing agency where we help brokerages recruit agents. And then we have a training platform for agents called Real Estate Marketing Mastery, where we actually teach agents the most up-to-date strategies on how to not only generate leads online, but automate the systems that generate you those leads. I think today leads are cheap if you know what you're doing. We can teach you how to generate an abundance of really qualified leads online for not very much money. But the problem with that is, how do you convert these people? And the reason we teach you how to automate that process, because we believe that the most important part is the conversion aspect. So that's a lot of what we teach as well. If you can automate all of the online systems to just generate leads on their own, you can then focus entirely on the conversion process, having conversations with people, getting referrals, getting in front of people into meetings, and actually turning these leads into profitable business. So if that sounds like it's resonating with you, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button to join us for more content, and I will see you in the comments. In the meantime, join our Facebook group as well, Real Estate Marketing Mastery. There's a link in the description down below. Click on that link, guys, but please fill out all the questions. I'm active in there every single day, so if you want to engage with me directly, that's the place to do it. And if you guys have time, check out our webinar. The link is below as well. Find a time that works for you. It's a webinar we do on a recurring basis on lead generation and the 3 steps we use to set up automated systems. So I look forward to connecting with you guys soon. And again, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the comments.